We aim to raise as much facilitators that we can and leaders through our community by redeeming them and getting them ready to hand out a helping hand to the lost and indeed, so that together we can make a change in Lutrix. It has come to our attention in various towns throughout Namibia, not only Namibia, but even in the world at large, that there's always a need, and people tend to feed this need. Some are strong, they use counseling, some go to so far as social workers, but many don't seek help and they stay in silence with the burden and they carry this thing and it weighs them down. That's why it is so profound and good that we as a group decided to start this group so that we can help transform society. Lutherans needs a groups like this because there is more potential lost. If you look at the people, these are people with great potential, people that come from good houses, people that needs a second chance in society and in life, people that can still make it in this life. So that's why it is so important that a group like this was established in Lutherans for them that feel that they are not hurt, there's no one to help them. Today we are here to assist in whatever we can through seeking professional help, aligning them with professional help, and finding counseling as well as social work from professionals, experienced staff, as we tend and also plan to engage with different stakeholders